Understanding Tornado Siren. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very specific and important phrase, tornado siren. Understanding this term is not only useful for your English vocabulary but also essential for safety in certain regions. Let's dive in and learn about what this phrase means and why it's important. Before we understand what a tornado siren is, we need to know what a tornado is. A tornado is a powerful column of air that spins very quickly and is in contact with both the surface of the earth and a cloud, usually a thunderstorm cloud. They can be very destructive, which is why being aware of them is crucial. A siren is a device that makes a loud noise, often used to warn people of emergencies. The word siren can refer to any warning signal, but it's often associated with the warnings for severe weather conditions, such as tornadoes. Combining the two, a tornado siren is a warning system used in many areas where tornadoes are common. It's a loud alarm that sounds to alert people that a tornado has been spotted in the area or that there's a strong possibility of one forming. When people hear it, they know they need to take cover and seek safety immediately. The phrase, tornado siren, is important because it's associated with safety procedures. Understanding what this siren means can be life-saving. In areas prone to tornadoes, knowing the sound and the action to take is part of essential safety practices. I hope this video has helped you understand what a tornado siren is and why it's so important. Remember, if you're in an area where tornadoes are common, make sure you know what to do when you hear the siren. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.